Whoa! Welcome. We're into a special time travel-y episode of Birds News. We've been going forwards, backwards, and mostly to 1983. Wicked times. I have today come back to say Gremlins are real. The film is in fact a documentary about Pat Higgins and his life. He loves stuff like this. But they died. So I'm going to be talking about cancer and lasers. As you can hear, I have my new EP playing in the background. It's really more aggressive. So we've now got a special guest. Give it up for Cucumber Gary. Cucumber Gary, come down.
Hello.
Gary.
Hi.
Wicked.
Uh,
Gary, one of the new topic now. Today we're going to also be talking about facial reconstructive surgery. Is it good or is it bad? Now I'm for one. I use it. As you can see by my hair, sleek cuts one way, rough tumbles to the sides. We don't really know what's going on. I like to think of it as cosmetic surgery. I'm scared of what I might be. See, I could be a diss, chunky, about the blob. I could be the blob from X-Men. No one's going to be the blob from X-Men. Everyone wants to be at least, Nightcrawler or higher. Wants to be the blob. So I've been entering this space recently, and as I go up and down through gravity wormholes, I realise there is no future. We are only small. So next week we shall be doing more aggressive hip hops, and my new EP will be out soon.